Have you ever seen someone give away their very last meal to a total stranger, not in hope of anything in return, but simply out of pure humanity? This is the story of such a man whose kindness not only fed a hungry old soul, but changed the course of his own life forever. Stay with us until the end, because what happens next is more surprising and more meaningful than you might expect. Many years ago, in a small town in the state of Ohio, USA, there lived a man named Michael. He didn't have much, just a small wooden house, a little garden, and a heart full of generosity. Michael worked as a handyman, fixing fences, roofs, and broken doors. He earned very little, yet never turned away anyone in need. Michael had a habit. If he saw a hungry stray dog near the park during lunch, he would share his sandwich. If a tired traveler was sitting alone on a bench, he would bring them water and a bit of food without hesitation. The people in town deeply respected him, but his wife, Susan, was often annoyed by his generosity. She would say, "Michael, you give away so much that we barely have anything left for ourselves. What will happen if we're the ones in need one day?" Michael would smile and say, "Susan, an empty stomach hardens any heart. If we have something to give, why not help? God sees everything." One afternoon, Michael was resting on his porch when someone knocked on the door. He opened it and found an elderly man standing there, his clothes torn, body covered in sweat, face tired and pale. Susan peeked through the window and sighed. "Another one. I guess tonight's dinner is gone too." But Michael ignored her. He welcomed the man inside, gave him a chair, and said warmly, "Please sit down. I'll bring you some water." The old man drank the water slowly, then softly said, "I haven't eaten in 2 days. If you have a little food, I would be very grateful." Michael went into the kitchen and saw only 2 pieces of cornbread left their dinner for the night. As he reached for them, Susan stopped him. "That's our dinner. If you give that away, what will we eat? Let him find food elsewhere." Michael replied gently, "Susan, he's older than my father. He hasn't eaten in 2 days. We'll survive a night without food. But what about him?" The old man heard everything, but said nothing. Michael brought out the cornbread and placed it before the man. "This is the best we have. Please take it." The man didn't speak. He ate slowly and drank more water. Then he sat quietly for a while. What happened next shocked them. The old man stood up and reached into his worn-out coat. He pulled out a small velvet pouch, and from it, he took out a shining gold coin and placed it in Michael's hand. Michael was stunned. "I can't accept this. This belongs to you." The old man smiled and said, "Years ago, a king gifted this to me. I've been searching for someone worthy of it. Today, I found that person. It's you," he continued. "You never give, expecting anything in return. You give from the heart, and God sees that. This coin is just a symbol, a token of your love and generosity. You are truly a good man." With that, the old man quietly left. Michael stood there, holding the coin. His eyes were filled with tears of joy. Someone had finally seen the value of his simple, selfless acts. He silently made a vow to himself, "No matter what, I will never stop helping others." True wealth lies in love and kindness. If you do good without expecting anything in return, life will reward you in ways you never imagined. So don't wait. Be kind, even when no one is watching. God always. Friends, if this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Spread the message so that others may also be inspired.